Hey guys, welcome back for another tutorial. Today I will show you how to integrate ChatGPT with Gmail. And to do so, it's very easy. So let's get straight into it. Now, the first thing that you have to do is to go to your browser and then search for ChatGPT Gmail. It's as easy as that. Okay, so here click on GPT for Gmail and then wait for the page to be loaded. Then here click on install. Now, once you have clicked on install, you will have to log into your account, give it all the permissions that it needs, and then wait for the page to load a bit. Click on next, done, and wait for it to be installed in a few seconds. Okay, so here if I go to my Gmail and then go to the right bar, so look at this. This is GPT for Gmail. It turns out that it doesn't appear in the extensions for every browser. In my case, I'm using Opera GX, so it doesn't appear, but on Chrome, it must appear in your extensions. If it doesn't, then it's okay. You can still go to Gmail and then search for ChatGPT for Gmail extension on the right. So click on it once, click on Compose New Email, for example. So click on the extension here, it's the little ChatGPT icon. And then here in the Generate Email, let's say, for example, permission to leave early. Click on Generate and wait for it a few seconds. So here is the final result. Of course, you can change it a bit by going to Improve Draft or Rewrite or Regenerate, etc. But I'm just going to insert it here. So click on Insert, and then here you will find the subject. So you can just remove it from here and then type it like that. Remove the subject. And yeah, you can just fill out the email with your name, position, contact information, the manager's name, etc. So this is just a quick explanation on how it works, but it's very easy to use. So I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to like and subscribe if it helped you.